region and a say in studying and managing the resources that might lie there. For NPR News, I'm Dan Carpenchuk in Toronto.
The Broncos today face the Saints without any of their usual four quarterbacks due to coronavirus restrictions. Two were considered high-risk contacts when the four were together earlier in the week, and now another has tested positive for COVID-19. An investigation found that all four of them violated league guidelines by not wearing masks when they were together. I'm Louise Schiavone, NPR News, Washington.
Support for NPR comes from NPR stations. Other contributors include Merrill. Merrill Guided Investing helps manage a client's portfolio. MerrillEdge.com/investing goals. Merrill Lynch, Pierce, Finner & Smith Incorporated, both a registered broker-dealer and investment advisor.
On the next Radio Lab.
I know you don't want me to, but I'm going to do this anyway.
The trick of all tricks.
There was just no boundaries for her.
Never been done by anyone.
Anyone. Ever.
Like, oh my god, holy she's actually doing this?
At the time, medical science said if you achieve terminal velocity, you would die from fear.
That's on the next Radio Lab.
Today at noon on WJCT News 89.9. This is Weekend Edition from NPR News. I'm Sarah McCammon. Lulu Garcia-Navarro is off today. Many Americans are making their way home after a Thanksgiving holiday. Our public health pros said it was a bad idea to travel, but what's done is done. We've got some useful advice for what to do now, especially if we think our own travel could put us at higher risk of infection. That's in a moment. First, the halting transition of power from the Trump administration to Joe Biden's team. Time Magazine national political correspondent Molly Ball joins us this morning. Hi, Molly. Good to have you back.
Hi, Sarah. Great to be here.
The Trump campaign has lost a string of lawsuits and misrepresented those suits in public as being about fraud, while in court, their complaints are different, often about narrow legal questions. And a Wisconsin recount pushed by the Trump campaign looks like it's actually increasing Biden's lead there. So how much longer do you think Trump can prolong this?
Well, it's clear that the courts are losing patience with the Trump campaign's attempts to prolong this process. And we're already seeing multiple states certifying their results on schedule or ahead of schedule. So, you know, the last dominoes are falling here, and the Trump campaign is running out of options. As you mentioned, you know, the appeals court decision in Pennsylvania on Friday was particularly blistering, saying these are really serious allegations. You ought to have some proof if you're going to bring them, and we don't see any here. And this is a Trump-appointed judge writing this opinion. So while the Trump legal team continues to say that they're looking for the right case to take to the Supreme Court, you know, as you said, they've received so many adverse rulings already that even if they are to try to bring this further up the chain, they're just running out of chances.
And Biden is nonetheless moving forward, announcing key personnel, including names of some national security posts. So first, tell me what you think of what you're hearing from a policy perspective there.
Yeah, well, so the national security team that Joe Biden announced earlier this week looks very much like Joe Biden. This is someone who cares a great deal about national security and foreign policy. It was a big part of his concentration as a senator and his sort of remit as vice president. But these are also names of national security professionals, right? People who've spent years and years in the bureaucracy and aren't necessarily household names. There's no elected officials on the list except for John Kerry, who will be a climate envoy. People like Linda Thomas Greenfield for UN ambassador aren't someone that a lot of Americans are going to have heard of. But I think Biden is signaling here that he wants people who are going to burrow seriously into these posts and try to get things done, not sort of be celebrity faces for the administration.
As we've seen in recent days, Biden's team is going to have to